Let's see if we have any other questions coming in. So the next question indicates that the mappings you have in your template seem extensive, and we only put a few mappings in ours. Doesn't a long list of mappings slow down CaseWare? Well, that could potentially be the case. However, with the computers today, it is not a significant issue, and we can definitely leave the entire list in. I have just around 800 map numbers in my list, and I want to make sure that I have the map numbers available to me that I need in a client file so that I can get the level of detail I need for either reporting purposes in my footnotes or for tax purposes so that I can get the information down to a level of reporting requirements for those separate items, but also have the ability to roll it up to the line items on my financial statement. So that's why I actually have a full listing here available to me. Now, there is the ability to purge this in the event that you don't need all those mapping numbers in your individual client files. We do have under Tools Options mapping a purge feature, which allows us to create an expression to determine which map numbers can be purged. So I could go through and say, okay, this is a simple entity that I'm working with. I only want to keep map numbers that have a length of 3 digits, and that would get rid of all of my submap numbers from this. I wouldn't want to do that in my template, but in my client file, I could do that assuming the client file doesn't need the level of detail that I'm showing within my mapping database. And we can create a number of expressions here. Certainly go into the help to check that out to see how that functions. We don't unfortunately have time to look at that today for purging the mapping numbers.